ka bang mahanap na bahay sa Quezon City na swak sa budget mo? Minsan, ang ganda ng house pero ang taas ng down payment. Allow us to introduce our houses for sale na 10 minutes away lang sa Batasan Hills, Quezon City. Located po siya sa Greenland Newtown Subdivision in San Mateo, Rizal. From Commonwealth Avenue, just turn right sa Batasan Hills, then turn right ulit, diretso na po sa San Mateo, Rizal. Here are the details of these houses. At the entrance, this is your 2-car garage. Then this is your living area. Kasyang-kasya po ang sofa set, and this is your dining area na kasyang 6-seater dining table. Also, here is our L-type kitchen area. And under the stairs naman po, we have our powder room. Going to the back, this is your service area. Tara, let's check the second floor. At the second floor, here is our master's bedroom. Kasyang-kasya po ang queen size na bed. May small balcony. Nakitang-kita ang quiet community. Then may sarili po siyang toilet and bath. Then beside the stairs, this is our second bedroom. Magandang ventilation at maliwanag during daytime. Then this is our third bedroom. Maliwalas din po siya at kasya, even double size na bed. Then at the second floor, meron din po tayong common toilet and bath. Let's check naman po ang third floor. At the third floor, we have our large balcony na may magandang neighborhood view. Pwede po tayo dito mag-barbecue or we could use this space pag gusto natin mag-dinner na may magandang ambience. Lastly, here is our fourth bedroom. We can call it also as junior master's bedroom. At meron din po siyang kasamang toilet and bath. Wait, there's more! Para po sa ating mga pre-selling projects, may maganda po kaming friendly terms para sa inyo.
20% TP
with 0% interest at pwede po siyang payable in 6 to 12 months. And that's not all po. 50,000 lang po ang reservation fee non-deductible sa down payment. For further inquiries and viewing schedule, please contact The Great Empire Realty at 0977-859-0581. Thank you very much and God bless po sa ating lahat.